Hey, it's Lauren from Hello, how are you? Good. Hey y'all, it's Lauren Toyota. I am hot for food. Oh my God, what's going on? What happened? I'm in a new kitchen. Settle down. I have moved apartments, so you know, we're 2 kitchens in with hot for food. What are you gonna do about it? I'm back. I'm still cooking up vegan love. Nothing else has changed. Maybe my hair is slightly different, I don't know. I don't have a tan. I'm back from the Hot for Food book tour. It was so amazing. Thank you to everybody who came out to all the meetups. I honestly can't believe what happened. You can watch those videos of the whole adventure on this channel, on my personal channel. But let's get into what we do best here, which is cooking up vegan love, making vegan comfort food, and you know, you'll just have to go with it here. Things are just gonna look slightly different. I don't think it's a big deal. But you know, leave your feedback in the comments below. I always read them. Okay, so today I'm doing mac and cheese 2 ways. I was like, you know what? I'm coming back. What do I love? Mac and cheese. What are we gonna make? Mac and cheese 2 ways. So if you got the Hot for Food Cookbook, Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 recipes to feed your face, you of course will have seen the bacon mac and cheese. That is in the Oodles of Noodles chapter. So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna get rid of that bacon. I'm gonna take the same sauce and I'm gonna show you how to modify this dish into 2 more tasty, scrumptious versions, a Thai red curry mac and cheese and a pizza mac and cheese. That is correct. That is what we're doing. You heard me right. Pizza mac and cheese. Did you fall over? Well, let's get started. We're making the Thai red curry mac and cheese first. Our cheese sauce is cashew based. You're gonna add a whole can of coconut milk because this is Thai curry, of course. For more liquid, we're just gonna add a cup of water. Now just add tomato paste, miso paste. You're gonna add the zest and the juice of 1 lime. Nutritional yeast. I'm gonna add dried kaffir lime leaves, arrowroot starch, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, white pepper, or you can use ground pepper. And now we're gonna add the red Thai curry paste. So I'm doing 2 tablespoons, which is a medium. You can add another tablespoon if you want hot. So the cheese sauce is essentially the same as the original version with a couple of additions, that being the curry paste, the kaffir lime leaves, and then I swapped lime juice for lemon juice. But everything else is the same. So you're not like reinventing the wheel, you're just adding a different flavor profile. So now you're gonna blend this up until it's really, really smooth. So we're gonna make a slightly different breadcrumb topping. I'm gonna add crushed peanuts, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, chili powder, and sea salt. And then just give that a stir to combine it and set it aside. So you've got your breadcrumb topping, you got your cheese sauce, you should already have cooked macaroni done. I'm not gonna show you how to do that. And then we're gonna add some vegan chicken because I think the Thai red curry mac and cheese should have some chicken in it. We're gonna get it browned up in this cast iron pan and then we're gonna make the whole mac and cheese in the cast iron. So now you're noticing I have no gas range. I am using an induction burner here on the kitchen island to make things easier and cleaner so I don't have to go cook over here. So in case you're wondering what's going on and what's happening, that's what's happening. So here's our vegan chicken. We're just gonna cut this into smaller chunks because these are more like chicken fingers. So I'm just gonna chop them up into more bite-sized little pieces. If you want, I think even pulling it with your hands might make it look more realistic. So let's just do that. More like shredded chicken. Okay, so we'll start browning this in a pan over medium heat with some vegetable oil. And that'll just take a few minutes and then we can mix everything together. So you're gonna add the cooked pasta to the pan, all of the red Thai curry cheese sauce. I'm also gonna add in some fresh baby spinach and some fresh cilantro. And then give this a stir to combine it. Now just add all of the breadcrumb topping evenly on top. Now I can never find Thai basil, but I would love to chop some of that up and stir that in here, but I can't find it at any store. So if you can, please add it in if you like that flavor because it's delicious. Eliminate the cilantro if you don't want that. This is going in an oven preheated to 350 for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna take the foil off and put it under the broiler for 5 to 8 minutes just to get the topping nice and golden brown. So while our Thai red curry mac and cheese is baking, I'm gonna show you how to make the second version, which is a pizza mac and cheese. It's essentially the exact same sauce, but we're adding in a little bit more basil, oregano, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, vegan pepperoni, and it's gonna be like so good. The cheese sauce is soaked cashews again, non-dairy milk, vegetable oil, lemon juice, tomato paste, miso paste. We're also gonna add some pizza sauce and save some to dollop on top. Add some arrowroot starch, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, salt, and ground pepper. Just make the topping for this one with dried basil and oregano, nutritional yeast, and sea salt. We're ready to assemble the pizza mac and cheese. We've got our breadcrumb topping, we've got our cooked macaroni, also the cheese sauce, and now the additions I'm gonna add into this and stir in are chopped green pepper, red onion, fresh oregano, fresh basil, and that's all gonna bring out the pizza flavors. And then we're gonna top it with pepperoni, vegan mozzarella, the breadcrumbs. It's gonna be so good. More pizza sauce. It's gonna be real saucy, this one. So I have a deep glass baking dish for this one, and I'm gonna pour half of this in here and then kind of spread it out. And because we want like that pizza-ness throughout, take some pizza sauce and dollop it around like this, just so there's like little sauce surprises. Now go in with the rest and then add the full topping with the pepperoni and everything. And now just kind of like mix and match the pepperoni, the cheese, and the breadcrumbs so you get a nice layering effect happening. So same thing, cover this in foil, bake at 350 for 20 minutes, take off the foil, put it under the broiler, get the top nice and crispy like a pizza, and we're done. There you go, guys. Mac and cheese, two ways. We've got our Thai red curry mac and cheese and our pizza mac and cheese. Both vegan, both modified slightly from the recipe of bacon mac and cheese. It's in the Hot for Food cookbook. So you're just adding different toppings and flavorings to customize this into even more fun mac and cheese ways for you. So who am I going to try first? Whom am I going to try? I have to say, I thought I was gonna like the pizza one the best, but upon taking this one out of the oven, I liked the Thai one best. I had to taste it. This isn't the first time I'm tasting it, obviously. I added the bean sprouts because I like some fresh crunch and more cilantro, but you know, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. The vegan chicken is the best addition of all time. So good. It tastes like red curry and mac and cheese. It's pretty amazing. Let's switch over to pizza mac and cheese. We've got yummy, yummy veggie pepperoni, more vegan mozzarella, oregano, basil, onion, green pepper. Smells like pizza. It's really crazy. Well, it's not really crazy because that's why I made it this way. So I knew it was going to smell and taste like pizza. Oh wait, now I can't pick. I actually didn't taste this one yet. don't know. It's like, this is good on a particular day. Like, this is more like weekend, maybe like Sunday evening, gonna watch a movie type thing. Thai red curry is like dinner party style or potluck. So that's my mac and cheese theory. You can let me know what you think. Try them both. Vegan pizza mac and cheese, vegan Thai red curry mac and cheese. Let me know which one you like. If you like them both equally the same or one better, leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up right here. Subscribe to the channel. I'm here every Wednesday. I'm all turned around even though it's the same side in this kitchen. I'm like, is it a different side? But it's the same. I have shot some more episodes of Vegan It with Chatelaine, so go subscribe to their YouTube channel. I've got new episodes. The one this week is me making a pulled porkless sandwich with very accessible, easy ingredients. In fact, you won't even believe what I'm using. So anyways, go watch Vegan It on Chatelaine's YouTube channel. There'll be new episodes for the next few weeks and some old ones you can catch up on if you haven't seen those. And I'm sure you're cooking away and loving Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 recipes to feed your face. Let me know if you've made something, share photos, post at hotforfood, #hotforfoodcookbook, because I've been sharing all the love on my Insta stories and I want to keep doing that because you guys are amazing and you're so talented and we've gone on this journey together and I think it's so fun. If you missed any of the Hot for Food book tour, you can check #hotforfoodbooktour on social media to see all the madness, all the selfies, all the boomerangs, and I also have a vlog on this channel, which I'll link right here. You should watch. It's dedicated to you guys, the Hot for Foodies. So exciting. I also have a vlog of the whole adventure on my personal YouTube channel, which you should subscribe to as well. I try to post every Wednesday over there. Okay, that's enough self-promotion. I'm out. I'll be back next Wednesday cooking up vegan love, and I'll see you soon, and love you all. Bye-bye. Mac and cheese time. So much mac and cheese.